What's the meaning of comprehensive school? Comprehensive school. Comprehensive school.
Comprehensive school. Comprehensive school. A comprehensive school is a type of secondary school in which all students, regardless of their academic ability, attend the same school and are taught together. This system contrasts with other models of secondary education, such as selective schools or grammar schools, which only admit students who have passed an entrance exam or achieved high grades. The aim of comprehensive schools is to provide equal opportunities for all students, regardless of their background or prior attainment, and to offer a broad and balanced curriculum that meets the needs of all learners.